Is water in your refrigerator running slow? Your ice cubes getting smaller and smaller? More than likely it's your filter. Today we're gonna change your filter out on ours, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step how you do it. It's a real simple process, but for ease, we're gonna show you exactly how we do it. We're gonna remove good old milk. Everybody loves milk. And we got some Milo's tea there. We're gonna move it. You gotta have your tea down here in the south. And there's your filter. Replacing this filter is real simple. We're just gonna twist it out. Twist, pull it, and you got your filter. Gonna set it right there. We got our new one. That's the filter there we took out. That's the filter there we put back in. I'll drop the link in the description below, so y'all be sure and check it out if you need one. These filters, you want to keep them changed out pretty regular, you know, about every 3 to 6 months. That way you got good clean drinking water when you go to your refrigerator. So we're just gonna take it. Goes in, you just screw it. Should be ready to go. Gonna have some air in it. Or you just open the system up. You can hear the filter filling up. Dump it out. Get all the air out of it. And there you have it. Good clean drinking water. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure and hit that like button. And as always, God bless. See you next time.